Father's Day. Father's Day was approaching, and this time Gattu and Chinky had planned something special for Papa. They came back from school and went to Mummy.
Mummy, this time we have planned something very special for Papa on Father's Day. Wow, that's great, Gattu. So tell me, what are you guys planning this year? Mummy, Father's Day is on Sunday. It's also Papa's day off. So we are going to give him lots of surprise throughout the day. Oh, that means this Father's Day will be full of surprises. Yes, Mummy, you can say that. We are going to do all Papa's favorite things. Like first, we will make his favorite breakfast. Tea with ginger and onion pakoras. Wow, Papa will love that for sure. But you'll need my help in making all these dishes, kids. Yes, Mummy. And not just that, we need your help for many things. Come on, I and Gattu will explain you everything.
Then what? Gattu and Chinky included Mummy in their Father's Day plan. A few days later, it was Father's Day. Papa woke up in the morning and went to the drawing room. Gattu and Chinky were already present over there. Oh wow! What's this? Today, instead of cartoons, the news is on TV. Gattu, Chinky, don't you want to watch your cartoons? It's Sunday, right?
Papa, today is not just Sunday. It's also Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Papa!
Oh, thank you, kids. So is that why the TV is showing things that I like?
Not just that, Papa. Today is your day entirely. So everything will be according to your likings.
Oh, that is so exciting. Gattu and Chinky were talking to Papa when Mommy brought his favorite newspaper. And Gattu and Chinky rushed to the kitchen and brought breakfast for Papa.
Here you go, Papa. Your favorite breakfast.
Wow, today started off really well. Thank you, kids. After a while, Papa finished his breakfast and Gattu Chinky told him,
Now quickly take a bath and get ready, Papa. Chinky and I have selected clothes for you. You should wear those. We'll go to the nearby temple together, which you really like a lot.
Oh yes, we haven't been to that temple for so long. Okay, I will get ready quickly and come. After a while, Papa got ready and they all went to the temple together. After visiting the temple, they went to Marine Drive. Wow, it feels so good to be here. No matter what others say, I feel calmness coming here.
Come on, Papa. Let's have a walk on the beach. I know that you like to do it, right? I must say, I'm impressed. Gattu and Chinky remember everything you like.
Yes, that's true. You both are really good kids. Come on, what are we waiting for? Let's go for a walk. While walking, Chinky started feeling hungry.
Mummy, Papa, I'm feeling hungry.
Then come on, Chinky dear. There are so many stalls here. Tell me, what would you all like to eat?
No, Papa. We don't want to eat anything from here. Yes, Papa.
Then what do you want to eat, kids?
Papa, we want to eat Bindra's kachoris. Those are your favorite, right? But because it's too far from home, you don't go there. So let's all go together today.
Papa was very happy to hear this. And everyone went to have Bindra's kachoris. Wow! You must agree that such tasty kachoris are not found anywhere else. These are the best kachoris of town. Gattu, Chinky and Mummy felt very happy to see Papa enjoying his favorite food. After eating kachoris, it was the time to go back home. Kids, today was a really great day. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, kids. You have made this Father's Day very special for me.
But Papa, the surprises aren't over yet. The Father's Day dinner is still pending.
Oh wow, that's even better. Come on, I'm all ready for it. After reaching home, Gattu, Chinky and Mummy started preparing dinner for Papa. And Papa enjoyed his Father's Day watching TV. After a while, Papa's favorite dinner was ready. Oh wow, chole bhature and kheer. Today's dinner is going to be amazing. Papa enjoyed his favorite dinner. And Gattu, Chinky were very proud of themselves that all of their plans were successful. While eating chole bhature, Papa said, Wow kids, this is delicious. Today's dinner is really very tasty. That is when Gattu felt mischievous. He also stuffed his mouth with chole bhature and said,
Thank you, Papa.
Everyone loved seeing Gattu mimicking Papa. And this way, Gattu, Chinky and Mummy made Papa's Father's Day special.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.